Hello my YouTube friends and welcome to my next video. It's baking time! Do you remember when I was making beehive cookies for Christmas and I said that I can't buy here biscuits, you know, the Czech biscuit, which you need to make them actually. I found a recipe for those biscuits. They should look exactly like the ones you buy. And as well, I found that you can buy them here, like on Amazon or some like, European or Czech food website. But it costs $20 with shipping and it's not worth it. It's very expensive for the bag of those biscuits. So I decided to try them. The recipe is very easy. It's just from like 3 or 4 ingredients and should be easy to make. So let's hope. We're gonna be trying them today together for the first time and I'm so excited because I could actually save some money if I'm gonna make them at home. And I think we can start. I'm gonna tell you what ingredients we need and we're gonna try it and see how it's gonna turn out. So let's get into it. So, according to recipe I found, you need 100 grams of butter, soft butter, then 100 grams of powdered sugar and 160 grams of egg yolks, which is approximately from 8 eggs, and 160 grams of flour. That's it. So the thing is, you should just mix the butter with sugar, then add egg yolks and flour, and you should have the dough. And to make them look same and exact circles, I bought on Amazon those are for macarons, but they should work for biscuits as well because the smaller circle is exactly the size of those biscuits and it should be perfect. So we will see. I'm gonna test it. So let's try it. So let's start with eggs. I need just egg yolks. What's important is that they have to be room temperature, so you have to pull them out before you start. Guys, I just realized that my scale broke last time when I was baking, so I'm gonna try to measure it by cups, but I'm not sure about it. We will see. Scale is very important for baking and I don't have any, so I will have to figure it out, I guess. So I searched for how much is 100 grams in cups and I found it should be like half cup, so we will see. Butter has measurements on their packaging, so I just looked for it and hopefully this is the right amount. We will see. We need to warm it up a little bit to make it softer and we can start. Alright guys, I don't know anything about how it's supposed to look like, but I think this is good enough, so we're gonna try it, I guess. So let's preheat oven. It should be 180 degrees Celsius or 356 Fahrenheit, so let's try. Alright guys, my biscuits are in the oven. They should be baking from 13 to 15 minutes, so we will see. They should be a little golden brown, so I'm gonna show you if it's gonna turn out good, obviously. I'm not sure about it. I think that the dough is supposed to be a little softer, a little watery, but we will see, finger crossed. I didn't do many of them because so far I don't know how it's gonna turn out. So those are just testing ones. We will see. I'll let you know in 13 minutes. Alright guys, I have an update for you. The first bunch of those biscuits are a little burned because I think I made them too thin and the time was too long for them. So I tried to make them a little thicker, and I'm gonna try to leave them there little less time, so like 10 minutes, we will see. But I'm gonna show you first biscuits. They taste like biscuits, just a little burnt, but you know, I have to try. I didn't find how the dough is supposed to look like, you know, how exactly they should be thin, thick, whatever. So yeah, they are still good. I think to mix them for the beehive cookies into the dough is gonna be good, but I hope the second attempt is gonna be much better, so we will see. Now I'm gonna show you. So here they are. They are not supposed to be so brown, just light brown around, so this is definitely a little burnt, but I'm gonna try the other one a little less time and we will see. Alright guys, after a few attempts I finally got a good attempt, and this is how they look and how they are supposed to look. So I made another dough and add a little bit of baking powder to make them more puffy, and this is exactly how I need them to look like, ideal size. So the life hack is just add a little bit of baking powder. And just for fun, those are the first attempts. As you can see, some of them are a little burnt. Those are more like, I don't know, flat biscuits. So I finally made the perfect biscuits. Alright guys, after a few attempts I finally have my perfect biscuits to make beehive cookies. So I'm gonna use the ones which didn't turn out good for like the dough, so I don't mind that they are not perfect because they are still useful. That's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. As always, I'd be really happy for a like, comment and especially subscribe so you don't miss any of my other videos. Let me know in the comments below if you have ever tried to bake something you just want to order but you don't want to spend those money, so you just made it at home, you know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.